In last tutorial, I talked about how to install MongoDB on Mac operating system. In this tutorial, I'll talk about how to install MongoDB for Linux operating system, especially Ubuntu. Alright, first step, I came here to MongoDB official installation guide. If you search install MongoDB, then you may find the first link. Then inside there, the left side, I click to install MongoDB Community Edition, then install on Linux. After that, install on Ubuntu. So first of all, I'll copy the first command to import the public key used by the package management and go to terminal and paste it here and hit enter. It will ask me for password. It will respond as okay. One point you should keep in your mind, if the command don't return as okay, then install pnupg by running below 2 command and then import again. And select Ubuntu version. In my case, the version is 20.04. In your case, it may be different. If your version is older, then click on older version. If your version is newer, then click the newer version. I'll go back to my version again and copy the command. Again, go to terminal and paste it here. After that, now copy sudo update command and paste it to terminal again and hit enter. It will start to get update. Now you can see MongoDB repository is added. Now we can install MongoDB using this command, sudo apt get install y mongodb org. Copy this command and go to terminal again and paste it here. Now it will start to install MongoDB. And installation is done. To start MongoDB, sudo systemctl start mongod. Copy the command and paste it to terminal. Now to check the status if MongoDB started or not, run sudo systemctl status mongod. You can see MongoDB actively running. And if you want to stop MongoDB, you can run sudo systemctl stop mongod. Alright, now I'll show you how to install MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is an official MongoDB graphical user interface tool. First of all, I will go to browser and search MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass. Then click on download. Choose platform to Ubuntu. And package is deb. Then click on download. It will take some time. Open the directory where you downloaded. Select the file and right click. Then open with other application. Select software install. Then click to select. Then click to install. If I search MongoDB, then we can see MongoDB Compass is there. I'll talk about MongoDB Compass in later video. That's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture.